How to download Alight Motion on PC. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we're showing you how to download Alight Motion on PC. Since Alight Motion is a mobile app, we'll need a little software magic to run it on our PCs. This magic comes in the form of an emulator, which basically creates an Android environment on your computer. There are many great emulators out there, but for this video, we'll be using popular options, BlueStacks. It's free and work fantastically. So, to download Alight Motion on PC, first, we need to grab BlueStacks itself. Head over to the official BlueStacks website. Click the download button and the download should start automatically. Once the download finishes, find the installer file and double-click it to begin the installation. Once the installation is complete, BlueStacks will automatically launch. Once your emulator is up and running, it's time to find Alight Motion. Most emulators come with a built-in Play Store, just like your phone. Look for the search bar at the top right corner of the BlueStacks window. Search for Alight Motion and install it just like you would on your phone. Click on the Alight Motion icon and then the Install button. Once that's done, BlueStacks will install Alight Motion just like it would on your phone. That's it. With these steps, you've successfully downloaded Alight Motion on PC. Remember, practice makes perfect, so get out there and start creating some stunning edits. And this is how to download Alight Motion on PC. If you have any questions about Alight Motion or BlueStacks, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.